Hello dear student, we are studying quantitative aptitude and today's question is the sum of present ages of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 15:11. What is the present age of Kapil? Options are given. Option A 17 year, B 24 year, C 25 year and D 22 year. In the question, the sum of present age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. It is given. The sum of present age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. After 5 years, this age ratio will be 15:11. After 5 years, this age ratio will be 15:11. We have to find the present age of Kapil. We have to find the present age of Kapil. What is the present age of Kapil? This question is asked in RRB 2012 and it belongs to age problems. This question is from age problems. So let's just find. Let the present age of Varun and Kapil be X and Y respectively. Let the present age of Varun and Kapil be X and Y respectively. Now in the question, the sum of present age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years is given in the question. So X plus Y is equals to 42. X plus Y is equals to 42. Let the equation is 1. Now after 5 years, this age ratio will be 15:11. So according to question, after 5 years, this age ratio will be 15:11. So equation will be X plus 5 by Y plus 5 is equals to 15 by 11. 15 divided by 11. This is the equation. Now when we calculate by cross multiplication, then equation will be 11 into X plus 5 is equals to 15 into Y plus 5 or 11X plus 55 is equals to 15Y plus 75 or 11X minus 15Y is equals to 75 minus 55. After subtracting 11X minus 15Y equals to 20. Let the equation is equation number 2. Let the equation is equation number 2. Now for balancing the equation, these two equations, we multiplied by 11 in equation 1 on both sides. For balancing these two equations, in equation 1 we will multiply by 11 on both sides. In equation 1 multiplied 11 on both sides. Then equation will be 11x. When we multiplied by 11, then equation will be 11x plus 11y is equals to 42 into 11. So 42 into 11 it will be, you can also calculate it. So 42 into 11, then 42 into 42, that is 462. So this equation will be 462 and let the equation is 3. Here let the equation is 3. Now we solve the equation 2 and 3. When we solve the equation 2 and 3, we find the value of Kapil age. So solve the equation 2 and 3. How to solve this equation? You can solve many methods. So we subtract this equation 3 minus equation 2. We subtract this equation 3 minus equation 2. So this equation will be 11x plus 11y equation 3 is 11x plus 11y equals to 462, or equation 2 is 11x minus 15y is equals to 20. 11x cancel out each other and it will be here plus sign, so it will be 15y plus 11y is equals to 26y is equals to 462 minus 20. So it is subtract, then when we subtract this, then 442. So y is equals to here 442. So y is equals to 442 by 26. 442 divided by 26. So it will be, when we cancel to each other, then it will be 17. So the value of y is 17 here. Here we find out the value of y is 17 here, and y is which term? Y is couple age. Couple age is y, so couple age will be 17 here. Varun age is x and couple age is y, so y will be 17 here, and this is the age of couple which is asked in question. So its answer is option A, 17 year. The sum of present ages of Varun and Kapil is 42 year. The ratio of their after 5 year will be 15:11. What is the present age of Kapil? Answer option A, 17 year. So this is the today topics, and its topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.